Goldman Sachs Bank expect 60k NFP today and Bloomberg expect 75k. So any number below 60k will be big NFP number, but gold went up too far, too fast. Even recently you saw xauusd number very weak, still gold crashed more than $60. A weak NFP coming today, it is already priced in. It is trading at all-time high, more upside for any news. Technical triggered and it is already highly overbought. It is same bank who says 60k NFP now have new goal target $5,000. So let's see compared to expectation number 75k, NFP come high or low. But weak NFP number looks like everything already priced in gold. But if NFP comes strong, higher than 75k, according to Bloomberg data, this is the biggest NFP number expectation since 2011 if we exclude COVID. So you can imagine that type of negativity in market. But if NFP number come very strong, expectations are 75k, higher than 75k, then it is not priced in gold right now. Everyone expecting weak NFP number, but nobody expecting very strong NFP number. Only strong NFP number can create big action in gold. And before NFP come, Trump already said you will see very strong NFP number. So weak NFP number, that's mean already priced in. Gold already began correction, more up and down movement. Strong NFP which is not priced in and very wait for gold. But nobody is expecting a strong NFP number. Everyone expecting a weak NFP. First, let's see support. Our nearest support come near 3500, previous all-time high. If it went down more, 3430, that will be next big support level. We only have two static support. Before price goes down again, retest 3500 again, almost there near same place, we already seen one strong rejection. You can see market maker, they are playing that game once again. There was sharp reversal yesterday, instantly market maker said something and gold constantly up. In case it went down because of overall condition, you have two clear support 3500 and 3430. If it spike more, let's say possible third or impulsive wave, then one by one price breaking all projection level. If it goes up more, next will be 200% projection. But psychologically it will be near 3600 level. So if it goes up more, then 3600 resistance. If it goes down, 3500 first support. But after this monster movement, it need a sideways correction. I shared this wave counting before last NFP number. You can see similar wave counting projection target near 3600. So either you do entire wave counting or recent wave. Both case resistance come near 3600. So let's see once again strong NFP number which nobody expecting. Very wait for gold. Weak NFP number everyone expecting. Looks like already priced in. But if NFP number comes same to same as expected, no major change, then market will move towards CPI news date. But still there is a big divergence between dollar index and gold. Gold breakout, but dollar index did not break down.